So in this video we're going to solve this equation. 1/2 bracket 3x minus 2 is equal to 2/3 x minus 3. So to solve, we've got 1/2 times 3x minus 2 is equal to 2/3 x minus 3. So we'll look at 2 and 3 and take the lowest common multiple. So the lowest common multiple of 2 and 3 is 6, so we're going to multiply both sides by 6. So we're going to 6 times all of it, and then 6 times this side as well. Right, 6 divided by 2 is going to give me 3, so the next step is going to be 3 times 3x minus 2. Here we're going to have 6 divided by 3, which is going to be 2. 2 times 2 gives me 4 brackets x minus 3. So doing this process, multiplying by the lowest common multiple, sort of removes all the fractions from the equation, so it makes it easy to do. Next we're going to expand the bracket, so 3 times 3x gives me 3x, 3 times minus 2 gives me minus 6, 4 times x gives me minus 4x, and 4 times minus 3 gives me minus 12. Then we look at 9x and 4x, which is the lowest, 4x, so then we do the opposite thing to take 4x. 9x take away 4x gives me 5x minus 6, and then 4x take away 4x gives me nothing, and we still have minus 12. Don't forget the minus sign here. Adding 6 to both sides, so we're going to get 5x is equal to minus 12 plus 6, which makes minus 6, and then dividing by 5 on both sides, we're going to get x is equal to minus 6 over 5, or minus 1.2. So this has been a video to show you how to solve equations with fractions in them. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you've understood.